Sato makes its RFID consumables fully in-house. From designing its own antennas to testing for quality. It's our way of meeting customer needs with RFID consumables of made in Japan quality. Sato knows its customers, and that's why we can custom design the best antenna for your purposes. We use specialized software to simulate properties and design the best antenna shape for the surface material and environment demand. From the design, we make a prototype which undergoes readability tests from all possible angles and assessments under the assumed environment to develop our own unique antennas. For example, our antennas for the apparel business have high readability even when clothes are stacked. Once developed, Sato's antennas go through a series of endurance tests in specific environments. Exposure to instant change in temperature from -50 to +100 degrees Celsius. Communication checks in extreme cold of -83 degrees Celsius. And an impact test on the interlayered cell. Thorough tests in these environments are what defined the made in Japan quality of Sato's RFID consumables. Once the labels are done, a final series of tests verifies the medium for quality required of each type. Only the labels that have passed all the tests are wound and delivered to the customer. Our RFID manufacturing plant at Kitakami Operations manages clean production environment that controls temperature, humidity, dust and pests, as well as static electricity and microbes that can affect precision instruments. Sato knows its customers' operations, and that's why we have the best solutions that meet your needs in RFID consumables. Count on Sato to be a reliable supplier of custom-made RFID consumables of made in Japan quality.